Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening, wherever you are. Well, today's topic we're going to discuss is about the knowledge of Ghaib Unseen. Welcome to Vibes Changer. I'm Sadia Saeed. Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Say, none in the heavens and earth knows the unseen except Allah, and they don't perceive when they will be resurrected. So nobody in heaven and earth has knowledge of unseen except Allah. So Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim, he is knower of the unseen, and he doesn't disclose his knowledge of the unseen to anyone. So nobody has the knowledge of unseen except Allah, not even angel, not even human being, not even anybody who's claiming that I can predict future. Nobody has the knowledge of unseen. Bismillah, indeed Allah alone has knowledge of the hour and sends down the rain and knows what is in the wombs. And no soul perceives what it will earn tomorrow. And no soul perceives in what land it will die. Indeed Allah is all-knowing and acquainted. Bismillah, and with him are the keys of the unseen. None knows them except him. So from these different ayat, from the different verses, we came to know that nobody has the knowledge of unseen except Allah. So those people who are claiming that we can predict future, those who are practicing numerology, astrology, palmistry, they claim that those people claim that they can predict even future, or they can tell you, okay, that thing you are going to do, it will be good for you or bad for you, or in future you have to follow these numbers, they'll be like kind of good omen for you and all that. Nothing is true, because if that is true, we have something in our holy book like about them, like okay, it exists. Whereas from all the ayahs, from different ayahs, clearly written, is clearly mentioned there that no one has the knowledge of the unseen except Allah. And for that reason also I have made my video for law of attraction as well, because generally people who are believe in law of attraction, they don't know, they just believe in the universe, like time, numbers and the stars and all the. No, this is not true. We don't have to believe on this, because if we'll believe only in the universe, we believe in numbers, we believe in palmistry, we believe in numerology, stars, then it's kind of shirk. We can't, when we are, just think, if you are believing in universe, which shouldn't be done, which shouldn't be like that. So what about the one who has made that universe, So why not you just believe in the one who has even made that universe? If you think universe, which universe is giving you something which is not true, there is no such thing. So why not, you believe in the one who has created that universe? So for me, law of attraction, because I've studied that one as well, I've studied about my religion with that as well. Our religion itself is based on positivity. The things which they are saying the universe is giving, no, Allah is giving you. So we have to put all our trust, all our tawakkul on Allah only. Whenever we have to ask something, it's only Allah to whom we have to ask. To no person, whether he's very pious, virtuous, good, we can ask him, please do dua for us and all that. But if you need to ask something, then it should always be, Allah give us this and all that. It should always be Allah. But we can't ask any person. We can't go. We can't ask any like numerologist or astrologist or palmist. Okay, tell us what's gonna happen in our future or whatsoever they are saying. We just make our belief. Oh, this is the right one, and soon this gonna happen to us. Because then we attract the way. What we came to know about through them, we attracted those things in our life. So even if you saw if you gonna see that my video about law of attraction, how our deen is based on positivity, you will be very clear in law of attraction as well, in positivity as well, and how Allah said that whatsoever you believe I can give you, I'll give you. It's your belief. There nothing is impossible. He said I can do anything, but the way you will believe me and the way you will put your trust in me, that thing you will get. Allah can do anything. But whatever you want to ask, please only ask Allah. Because if you will believe on numerology, if you will believe on this astrology, you believe on palmistry, then we are doing shirk. It's equal to shirk. We can't ask anyone to tell us about our future. We can't depend on other people or some omens or some good or bad numbers and all that to tell us that what's going to happen in future. Is not at all true. And other thing, that if you go for law of attraction, please do see my video about law of attraction. And other than that, please go for the one who has even created the universe. Why don't you follow him? Why don't you ask him to give you, who even made the universe? So we have to put our all trust in Allah. We have to ask him to give whatsoever we want. None other has right to be worshipped or asked like give us this and all that. Only Allah. Whatever we have to ask, we have to ask Allah. We have to do dua to Allah. Keep on praying, keep asking whatsoever you want from Allah, because he just has to say, he just need to say be and it is. So please, from today onwards, don't believe on numerology, astrology and palmistry and that much that you made you believe that this thing gonna happen in your life, because then you'll attract those things. These things are not true, because if that's true, why they are sitting there only telling you one is this is not true. Don't go for these knowledge. Only put your tawakkal in Allah. Allah is all, only He has the knowledge of unseen. And I hope from today you'll put all your trust in Allah, and you'll only ask dua from Allah whatsoever you want. Anything can change, anything, even written destiny can be changed with dua. Everything is written, what's going to happen in our life, but dua option was given to us, that if you'll keep on praying with your heart, mind, soul, you put your heart, mind, soul in dua, and with full focus you ask Allah something, maybe if He wants, if His will is there, you'll get it. And inshallah, Allah is always, He's Ghafurur Rahim, He'll give you. So but you have to ask Allah. If written thing you want to change, ask Allah. Keep on asking, keep doing dua. Whatsoever you can get, you can't get from numerology, you can't get from astrology, you can't get from palmistry. No, nothing. No star, no number, no palm reading can help you in your life except dua. And you can change your destiny with dua. You can change everything in your life with dua. Put your trust in Allah and only ask Allah to help you.